This is the first in a series of videos that will introduce you to the BOUS Systems DSD route accounting application for Android. On the screen is the Android desktop, and to access your list of programs, you'll want to click on the caret at the bottom or swipe up, and your applications list will appear. The DSD route accounting app is here with the black icon. A single tap or click will open up the DSD application. You'll be presented with the splash screen, and then the main screen will appear. The main screen has buttons that take you to various applications or modules within the application. At the top of the screen you'll see your company name, and below the company name you'll see the status or the mode that you're in. And that status will either say ready for start of day, ready for sales, ready to create transmit file, or ready to transfer. Since we've just got to the point where we're ready to start the day, ready for start of day means that the start of day button is active, and there'll be a separate video specifically dedicated to the start of day process. Along with the start of day, you have the button for getting into sales, running your end of day, which is a series of reports that will recap the activity for the day. Those are grayed out because the start of day has not been run yet. Once the start of day has been run, it will be grayed out, and sales and end of day will be accessible. After you've run your end of day, you'll transfer or create your transmit file and transfer that file back to your office or the server. Below the transfers option there also is the inventory option for doing loads and offloads and tracking your inventory for physicals, and then finally some information about the products, the customers, builds, notes, etc., and then the settings. So if we look at the information button, you'll see you can access your list of products, your customers, without having to actually go into an invoice to review that information. If you have builds or PARs set up for your customers, those could be maintained and viewed here. Notes for your customers would be maintained within the Notes module. The database and statistics and totals, those are just maintenance options for either updating the database or backing up the database. Statistics will show you some information about the serial number for the device. I can open that up here, and you'll see that we've got your route number, the name, the day and the battery status, the serial number, and the date. To navigate back on all the screens where there's a back button, it will take you back one level. The total screen will show you your activity in a high level totals for the day. The About button will give you information about the current version that you're running and also give you some contact information for support. And then finally, the Back button will take you back to the main screen where you can choose the exit option if you wanted to exit the program. It'll ask you to confirm that you want to exit, and when you say yes, that will take you back to your applications list. By clicking on the triangle button at the bottom, it'll take you back to the main screen of the Android operating system.